si VIVO Y35. This is it. Another great looking phone. As you can see. Ito guys, ang okay sa kanya is super bilis na kanyang charging. 44 watts of fast charging. 0 to 70% in just 30 plus minutes. And not only that, 5,000 milliamperes of battery. Tagal maubos ng battery nito. And 90 Hz refresh. Ang ganda ng display ha. Kapag camera, tatak, Vivo yan. Siyempre, alam ni Vivo na sobrang okay yung kanyang camera. Ayaw niya maubusan yung storage. Kaya naglagay siya ng 256 gigs of internal storage plus 8 gigs of RAM. It is a super premium phone talaga. Color we have here is Dawn Gold. Meron pa siyang Agate Black. Kung gusto mo ng black color, mukhang premium din yun. Yung specs sa likod, nakasabi dito, 44 watts fast charge, 5,000 mAh battery, extended RAM 3.0. Yes guys, pwede niya i-convert yung 256 gigs of internal storage into RAM. 50 megapixel triple rear camera, and audio booster 2.0. Isa pang okay sa kanya is that huge 256 gigs of internal storage. Sobrang okay nun guys. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng cloud storage. This processor is a 6nm processor. Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. This is the Antutu benchmark score. Almost 300,000 points Antutu, which is impressive. Speaking of the display, ito pa yung specs niya. 6.58 inch, 1080p, 90 Hz refresh rate, IPS LCD display. Very bright, actually, itong display na to. Mobile Legends, ito po yung kanyang tsura. The display is pretty huge. Marami kang pwede makita dito. At saka parang ang ganda ng color, ang sharp na display. They actually put a very high quality LCD display here. Napansin ko meron siyang ultra graphics. Yun na importante, no? Kasi nga halos lahat ng animations na-activate na. 5,000 mAh sa battery ito. Magtatagal talaga siya sa inyo.